Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to improve your credit score with Kabbage Insights. Now, Kabbage Insights gives you real-time visibility into your cash flow, helping you make smarter financial decisions that reflect well on your credit. First, connect your bank accounts, payment processor, and accounting tools like QuickBooks or Xero. Connect them to Kabbage Insights, and then you can use the dashboard to identify late payments or overdrafts, irregular income patterns, and unnecessary expenses that are draining your cash flow. By monitoring these trends, you can stay on top of on-time repayments, you can maintain a healthy balance, and you can reduce your credit utilization, all of which are going to boost your credit score. Bonus tip, you want to keep your Kabbage line of credit active but lightly used. This shows responsible borrowing behavior to credit bureaus. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.